Well, let's start off with some breaking news. There's been another arrest in the drug case that is being probed by the NCB. The NCB has arrested Dipesh Sawant, who is the staffer of Sushant Singh Rajput. Well, my colleague Mayuresh is going to join us for more in just a bit, but another arrest coming in this Saturday evening. Mayuresh joins us on the phone line. Mayuresh, what are the other details that you're gathering?
Absolutely, Aarti. If you remember, yesterday at 10 p.m., Dipesh joined the interrogation, or we can say Dipesh joined the investigation, where he was asked to record his statement under 67 NDPS Act. And now we have been given to understand, and it has been confirmed by the NCB, that he has been arrested for his links with all these people. And basically, NCB wants his custody to confront him with Kaizan, Zayed, Showik and Samuel Miranda, all four people who have been arrested in this case. So that's why tomorrow we have been given to understand at 11 a.m. in local court he will be produced, and where NCB will ask for his maximum remand.
Right, Mayuresh, just to clarify, along with Dipesh Sawant now, could you just bring our viewers up to speed with the total number of arrests in this case and what exactly the role of these people are in this?
Adi, if we talk about Showik, if we talk about Samuel Miranda and Zayed and Kaizan, so basically Zayed and basically Basit were the two people who are the local drug peddler and who basically revealed the name of Samuel Miranda and Showik Chakravarti. When Samuel Miranda when he was summoned and he was arrested, before that he recorded his statement in which he clearly said that he used to arrange the drugs, arrange the weeds for Sushant Singh Rajput, and the contact was given by Showik. And Showik's contact, who was another drug peddler, he used to deliver that drug to 3 different places, and he had done that on a multiple occasion. And one was Showik's place, one was Sushant Singh's place, and another was Waterstone Resort where Sushant Singh was kept. That was a Samuel Miranda. If we talk about Showik, yes, they require Showik's custody because they have found the chats of Showik Chakravarti with a few other drug peddlers as well as few other who are related to this case, and he was talking about the drugs and banned substance in those chats, and they want Showik Chakravarti to be confronted with Riya Chakravarti as well as with Dipesh Sawant. That's what NCB had mentioned in remand. So these are the things. And if we talk about Basit as well as Zed was a local drug peddler from whom Basit used to get drugs, or used to purchase the drugs on the instructions of Showik Chakravarti. So these are the connections. So it was first Basit who basically named, or we can say give that link of Showik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda's involvement in this drug cartel.
Well, we'll have to see what the NCB remand copy also says in the case of Dipesh Sawant's arrest. Mayuresh, thanks so much for bringing us that update. In fact, here's some more breaking news in this case coming in. Well, the CBI has just finished questioning filmmaker SANDIP Singh in connection with Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Publicist ROHINI IYER was also quizzed by the CBI. Neha Kulkarni joins us for more. Neha, what further details have you gathered from the CBI investigation, and when and how long has this interrogation been?
Absolutely. So today we understand that Meetu Singh, who is the sister of Sushant Singh Rajput, SANDIP Singh, who claims himself to be the friend of the actor, and also ROHINI IYER, his publicist. All 3 of them were inside at the DRDO quarters, where CBI has put up themselves for the past 2 weeks, and they were questioned for close to about 7 hours. Earlier in the day, we know that the CBI also visited the residence of the actor, along with Meetu Singh and the forensic team officials, along with Neeraj and Keshav, who were the house helps of Sushant Singh. They were there for about an hour to recreate the crime scene event. Now we understand here for the first time that now even the CBI is also trying to speak to people who have known the actor even closely, even before he was there in the industry, which even means that Meetu Singh and SANDIP Singh, who have known the actor for a very long time, his friends are now attempted to be questioned here. Meetu is also very important in this entire investigation because she was someone who had stayed with the actor from 8th of June to to 12th of June, days before the actor had allegedly committed suicide. We understand that the CBI has asked questions related to this, and also by visiting the actor's house today, more evidence in terms of what exactly happened on 14th of June was tried to be gathered.
Well, Neha, that interrogation is now done. It's been a long one of Sandeep Singh, who is close to the actor. We'll keep a close eye on whether there are further developments in this case. Who's going to be summoned next? Of course, that is the big question, both by the NCB and the CBI, which has been investigating this case.